So this is my wisteria. As you can see, it's just been eaten up by snails. I've had to cut those leaves off to try and save it. So what I'm just going to do instead is repot it and make it grow better away from snails, hopefully. And then once it's established, I can just replant it back. So here's the wisteria now. I am quite annoyed that the snails have got to it, so hopefully by bringing it to my back garden I can keep an eye on it, it will just flourish a bit more and help it establish before I pot it properly. So now I just need to find some soil and a container for them. So I filled up the pot with rocks for drainage. Yeah, and now I can just fill up with new soil. So this is the final result. Now potted in. I'll probably will just chop this leaf off, just because it's so damaged anyway. And I hope to God the plant can stand this, gets enough sunlight from over there, and then it starts to flourish. And I will give you an update in a week or two's time. It is the final wisteria. I've decided that I'm just going to add a few more support sticks just because it's on, I don't know, just because I got them, and why not stick them in.